number 204, question number 6. Profit and loss statement for the year ending on 31/3/16 and 31/3/17 of Shankar Limited are given as follows. Prepare comparative statement of profit and loss. Okay, let's first do a profit and loss. Then we will see the increase or decrease. We start with first sales revenue. That's revenue from operations. 45 lakh. 60 lakh 75,000. Second, other income. दूसरा फायदा ये भी है ये पहले करने का कि तुम्हें ये फॉर्मेट लोन हो जाएगा तो प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी काम आएगा. ओके, अदर इनकम 10 lakh and 7 lakh. Third, total 1 plus 2. Fourth, expenses. Cost of goods sold, goods consumed. $30 lakhs, 36 lakhs. Net purchase for resale 2 lakh 70,000. Changes in stock 70,000 90,000. Employee benefit expense 4 lakh 5 lakh 60,000. Financial cost 90,000 1 lakh 35,000. Depreciation and amortize amount 70,000 1 lakh 5,000. Total expense fifth, profit before tax 3 minus 4. Sixth, provision for tax 30%. Seventh, profit after tax 15 lakh 75,000. This is 3 lakh negative. Okay, so we have 12 lakh 75,000. What's the increase percentage? 35. Decreased is 30. ब्रैकेट में लिखना, डायरेक्टली 5 मत लिख देना इधर. हो भाई, ये 5% नहीं है. How much? 23 point. Now, okay. Now increase of 6 lakh. 20%. Increase of 70,000. 35%. 70 to 90. 20,000, 28.57%. 4 lakhs, so 1,60,000. 4 lakh है तो 160 तो 40%. 90 to 35, 45,000, 50%. 70 to 105, 35,000, 50%. Total 38 lakh 30,000, 38 lakh 30,000, 47 lakh 60,000. Yes, 47 lakh 60,000. 9 lakh 30,000. Percent 24.28. Profit before tax is 16 lakh 70,000. Then 20 lakh 3 lakh 45,000. What's the percentage? 20.66. तो ये तो सेम ही रहेगा हर एक बार. Now, provision for tax 20%. 5 lakh 1,000. 6 lakh 4,500. 1 lakh 3,500. Okay. Difference 11 lakh 69,000. 14 lakh 10,500. And then 2 lakh 41,500. Okay. Page number 205, question number 9. Balance sheet of small company limited as on 31/3/2016 and 31/3/2017 are as follows. Prepare comparative balance sheet. Let's start the sum first. Equity and liabilities. What is this known as? Equity and liabilities known as balance sheet heading. Got it? Okay. Then first, shareholders fund. What is this known as? Main heading. Very good. In shareholders fund, we have subheading share capital. First, equity share capital. Second, preference share capital. $17 lakh, 12 lakh. अच्छा एग्जाम में ध्यान देना कि ये बराबर है ना 17 16 ही दिया है ना, ऐसा ना हो 16 17 दिया हो और तुम इधर फिर लिखो ऐसा और कर दो 17 16. Possible है. Exam time is very different. That's why I read the question and then only I start. तो पहले बराबर पढ़ लेना, क्वेश्चन देख लेना, फिर चालू पढ़ जाना. Then 17 12 22 lakh 10 lakhs. साथ में ही कर लेते इसमें. क्या अलग अलग करना है? अलग. B, reserves and surplus. First, general reserve. Second, profit and loss account. $2 lakh, 1,80,000, 2,40,000, 2,10,000. Second, main heading, non-current liabilities. So 10% debenture is part of long-term borrowings, other long-term liabilities and long-term provisions. Revision भी हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. Okay, 10% debenture 8 lakh, 6 lakh, Third, current liabilities. First, short-term borrowings. शॉर्ट-टर्म बोरोइंग्स में 45,000, 90,000. Second, trade payables. $1,35,000, 90,000. Other current liabilities. $70,000. इसमें कौन सा सब हेडिंग नहीं है? S save trees and our cells short term provisions. Okay. Then the total, which is already given. दिया ही है 43,30,000 and 45 lakh. Asset. First, non-current asset. A. Fixed assets. First, tangible assets. Machine, 15 lakh, 16 lakh. Furniture, 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Intangible assets. Goodwill. Goodwill is 1,80,000. Patent. 730 and 750. 7,30,000. 7,50,000. Sorry, non-current investment. $8 lakh, 9 lakh. Second, current assets. Stock, which is inventory, 1,60,000, 1,80,000. Trade receivable, 2 lakh, 1,80,000. Current investment, $2,70,000, 1,40,000. Cash and cash equivalent, 70,000, 70,000. Total, $43,30,000, 45 lakhs. $5 lakh, decrease 2 lakh. 40,000 increase. 30,000 increase. 2 lakh decrease. 45,000 increase. 45,000 decrease. Dash. 1,70,000. 29.41. 2 divided by 12 into 100. 16.67. 40 divided by 20. 20%. 16.67. 25 negative. 45, 100. 33.33 negative. Dash. And overall 3.93. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 20,000 decrease. 20,000 increase. 1 lakh. 20,000. Again 20,000 decrease. 1 lakh 30,000 decrease. Dash. Net will be 1 lakh 70. This will also be 3.93. 6.67. Decrease 20. 2.74. 12.5. 12.5. Again 12.5. 10% decrease. 48.15 decrease. And dash.